welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome as well. If you are here for the first time, you are welcome. To the channel, click on the red button, please. Also, don't forget to comment down below and click on the like button, and you are gonna enjoy everything that I do. So today we'll be talking about the moisturizer that I have been loving lately on. So as you know, you guys, I have used the Cetaphil Moisturizer, but I just felt like I needed a little bit of hydration, so I was using that moisturizer with the hybroboost moisturizer. Editing me here, just to clear things up, I think this moisturizer is great for those who have oily to normal skin, but if you've got dry skin, I just feel like it's not really moisturizing at all. So otherwise it is a good moisturizer. And also I do love this is super hydrating. If you're a hydrating queen, this is good, but I would always pair it with a moisturizer because for me it was just not working super well alone. Okay, now let's get back to the video. And I just felt a little bit dry, and then I realized that in most cases something that is for acne, it is usually drying. Like it's like they formulate those products to actually dry out your skin so that you do not break out a lot. And I was like, oh my god, the reason why I'm actually feeling more dry is because the moisturizers I'm using are super drying on my skin. So I actually was walking on the Cetaphil aisle and I came across this baby right here, you guys. Like, this is the Cetaphil moisturizing cream. It is formulated especially for dry sensitive skin. This is all me, you guys. So if you didn't know, I actually have dry to combination skin, and I become more drier during the winter season and become a little bit less dry during the summer season. So this winter was a little bit like suffering, you guys. I was just trying to find a moisturizer that I really like. I actually did try the E45 cream, and still I just felt like I needed something. It was moisturizing, but I felt like I needed something, so I decided to try this one. It comes in a bigger tube as well, and I really like it. It is super moisturizing. Even if you have oily skin, this doesn't feel oily at all. It just feels good on the skin. Like, guys, I really like it. So as you can see, it comes like white, and then when you blend it in, it just goes in smoothly. It easily absorbs to the skin real quick. Although this moisturizer absorbs super quick to your skin, it is, however, of a thicker consistency. So if you are someone who doesn't like thick moisturizers, maybe this is not for you. But this one is really on the thicker side. It's even thicker than the E45 cream. And this is how the E45 cream looks next to it. E45 is a good moisturizer, although it doesn't absorb as much as the Cetaphil one absorbs to the skin. But yeah, that is that. And again, you guys, they say it is an everyday moisturizer for long-lasting hydration. It is non-irritating, which is super true. It is non-sensitizing. It's super true. It's so calm on the skin. It is non-comedogenic. That means it won't break you out, and that is super true, guys. I've been looking for a very good moisturizer, and I found it. Now, this one retails for 185, and I got it from Dischem. And one thing that I do not like about this is that I think I've used this for almost 2 weeks now, and I am running out, you guys. So it doesn't really, I don't think it will last me a month. So it is a product that I will always need to purchase. So that is actually the only thing that I will say. But otherwise, you guys, this is super moisturizing. If you've got dry skin, I totally would say maybe give it a try and see. So they do have some directions. They have said test on a small area skin before use. That means you must patch test. Apply often as needed, so you can like just reapply like your sunscreen. And I also love the fact that it goes well with the sunscreen, and it goes well with the sunscreens and the serums that I am using, which is super great. Like, it doesn't roll at all. That is it from my best purchase for my moisturizer. This is now on the top list of my favorite moisturizers. Anyways, that is it from this video, guys. I didn't have anything to say but to tell you that I love this moisturizer, basically. So yeah, anyways, that is it from this video. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Also, just leave a comment down below. If you have nothing to say, just say hello Varhandziwa, or just come and comment. It helps a lot, you guys, if you do that, you know. Also don't forget to like, share, and watch another video, and put on that notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload any new video. Bye.